In Kingston, at a place called Outlook, there lived a young woman named Tracy. After Tracy and her sisters burned out the house, they didn't experience anything more for months. She moved back in the room and everything was good. One night, Tracy went to bed early. She heard a bottle fall off the dresser, but didn't pay it much mind. She fell asleep and heard a sound in the passage. Before she could open her eyes, she noticed that she was paralyzed and could not speak. She tried to call her sister. Nothing came out. She knew that she wasn't dreaming and was fully aware of what had been taking place.
Follow Jamaican true story.
As soon as she was released, she noticed the window was open and closed it. She started to notice when she leaves the window open at nights, the bad spirits always attack her in her sleep. She also heard that before they built the apartment, there was an old board house and most of the people living there had passed away. Tracy has since migrated to Canada, but whenever she goes back to Jamaica, the hauntings start again. At this point, she thinks that the entity is attracted to her.